Oh my. It's just too much. We have a safe, and I don't know if it's burned, and it had all our family heirlooms in it. Here's the safe. The safe is here. I don't think this is going to be strong enough.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Get it. Let's go. Baby.
These were my daughter's earrings. Oh my God. That was Bart's mom's necklace.
Awesome.
The girls got married in those. Oh my God. How do I thank you? What do I do?
You just did. You just did.
No.
No, just seeing you happy. That's all that
I'd
matters.
do anything. No.
No.
Please. I know you think it's really sappy, but I'm sorry.
I don't.
Thank you very much. Thank you for coming and helping.
You're very welcome.
I'm so appreciative. Thank you.
Yes.
I don't even have words. I never anticipated seeing any of this again. I'm so indebted and grateful to this crew.
Good luck.
Thank you.
You're welcome.